Go home happy with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Wrangler JK delivers off-road performance, technology that keeps you safe and connected, creature comforts, convenient storage, and the open-air spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel your heart soar when you experience driving as one with the natural world. Get into the Wrangler JK.